hear me as I scream your name? Hello, hello, do you need me before I
Man, I can't believe that I still grounded. I got big trouble 2 years ago for punched Caillou and Amir. What should I do now? Wait, I know. I'll push Owlette into the train tracks. Ha 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 ha.
Yay, Caillou is my best PBS Kids character I ever seen.
Now, it's time to take Owlette away and throw her into train tracks. Ha 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 ha. Owlette, close your eyes. Sorry, Owlette. It's for your own good. Now open your eyes.
Where am I? No 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 no. I'm now scared to lay down at train tracks. Gecko, please help me. I'm stuck at train tracks.
Owlette, how did you end up in the train tracks?
I don't know. Princess Nella did force me to close my eyes. Wait a minute. Princess Nella did it.
Princess Nella, is it true that you pushed Owlette into train tracks?
Well, I might have to slipped and knocked her into the tracks.
Princess Nella, how dare you threw Owlette into the train tracks? That's it, I'll call your dad about this. Hello King Dad, Princess Nella did threw Owlette to the train tracks. Could you please ground her for this? That sounds good. Bye.
Princess Nella, get over here right now. Princess Nella, how dare you put Owlette to the train tracks? That's it, you're grounded for 44,879 days. Go to your room now.
Hello, hello, can you hear